Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. The man from LBC just left to pick up our boxes for the Philippines, and Mom just made this delicious breakfast. She made corned beef with potatoes and rice. Also, the kids are done with school already because they have a half day. Hi, kids. Look at your outfits. They're so cool. I want to show you guys the dance. Go. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Look at this crazy dancing. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Hey guys, just finished breakfast. Now we're gonna clean out this cabinet over here. Just a bunch of vases and stuff. Actually, those are cookie jars, but I use them as vases. And then those are glass vases. Alright, just cleaned it out. I totally forgot that we had a power plug in there too. Alright, I'm in the process of organizing my plates, but look at how beautiful these plates are. Like, seriously. Gorgeous. But I'm going to use these cabinets to store all of my plates, so that way they're all in the same place, they're nice and organized, and they're easy to get and like set the table. So I'm very excited. Beautiful. Also, Mom's over there making cookies. We're excited. Alright, Mom's first batch of cookies. Looking super yummy, fresh out of the oven.
I made them too big.
It's okay.
I should make them a little bit small.
Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the cabinets. I actually have so much space still. So I have this one filled up with like my little random plates. And then I also have this one over here. And yeah, I'm super happy. And I finally have like a spot for like my random like plates to go. And I'm super duper excited about it. Now I want to tackle this whole guy because I just like took a bunch of stuff out of it and I want to reorganize it and just make it beautiful. So that's what I want to focus on right now. Alright guys, we are still working on it. Trying to, I don't know what I'm trying to do, but still working on it. I took a little break because I was watering the plants, and now I'm actually going to help Mom make some garlic naan. Alright, we're putting in the first naan bread. Very exciting. Ooh, it's so good. Yeah, Mom's using a new recipe, so we'll let you guys know which one's better, this one or the old one.
Also very thin.
First flip.
Thin. I made it very, very thin. It's not very hot.
Let's look at this one's a practice run. The first one's always practice. Alright, here's the first one. I'm going to apply the garlic butter mixture. Yummy.
And
bam! Alright, so we have our food. We have our, what's the chicken called, Mom?
Shawarma.
Shawarma chicken.
Shawarma.
We have our rice. And then we have our delicious garlic naan.
Middle Eastern rice.
And then from Trader Joe's we have our tzatziki. And then Mom made some cucumbers over there. Alright guys, I just opened up our butcher box. And it was actually here for like a few hours already. But didn't have time to open it up yet. But I'm going to put everything inside the freezer, which Mom has done such a good job of stocking up. So these are all meal preps, all those up there. She even made like chocolate chip cookies that are already pre-molded, and you just put them on a baking sheet. These are all from Trader Joe's. I think this is from Costco. This beef bulgogi, so good. Anyway, Mom said to put as much of the stuff in here as possible in that drawer. So let's just open this guy up. Ooh, the sockeye salmon is so good. I'm actually gonna stick that inside this drawer in the corner. Ooh, look at all this. Their meat is actually really, really good, you guys. It's awesome. Grass-fed beef ribeye steak. We have ground beef. Ooh, the light turned off. Hold on one second. The scallions are so good too, you guys. So yummy. Anyway, I'm gonna get this stuff in here, and I'll see you guys again in a bit. Alright, got it all in there. Yes. Hey guys, okay, so I actually like showered and like got dressed so I could actually film my haul videos for this week. So I just filmed them. So again, don't forget to check out this week's thrifting videos, because in honor of National Thrift Day, which was on Monday this whole week, I'm doing thrifting videos. Yes, I went back to the thrift stores. Yes, it was nerve-wracking, but yes, it was amazing. So go check them out if you guys haven't. I'm going to link them right up there if you guys want to see those. But yeah, so I did not yet finish the buffet. I'm definitely gonna finish it tomorrow. I'm almost done, but I kind of just like I've just been like so scattered throughout the whole day doing a bunch of different stuff. So I didn't get to like concentrate and actually finish that piece. But I'll definitely have it done tomorrow morning. I also want to like clean out all the stuff that I have in the house that I've just been like trying to organize and put inside of like bins and stuff, and just get those out of the way, because I feel like the house is just like covered in so much stuff. And yeah, so I just feel bad, like everyone's just kind of like everything's everywhere, and it's just been driving me a little insane. So we're gonna be cleaning that up tomorrow. Tomorrow, what else is gonna happen tomorrow? I keep forgetting like what day it is, and tomorrow is gonna be Thursday. So when you guys see this, it's gonna be Thursday. So happy Thursday. My foot is falling asleep. That's why I keep like moving around. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? What else? Oh, okay. Can we please talk about dinner really quick? It was amazing. We got the shawarma chicken from Trader Joe's, and Mom already has like her own recipe of shawarma chicken, but it's a little bit, it's like more involved to make it. Like you have to make it, you have to marinate and all this stuff. And the chicken shawarma at Trader Joe's is already pre-marinated, and it's like on this nice little package. They just take it out and barbecue it, and it is delicious. So I highly recommend. It is amazing. I love the Trader Joe's shawarma. And if you get the shawarma, you also have to get the tzatziki. It's so good. It's kind of like what is it? It's kind of like sour cream with like cucumbers. It's like a really nice, like cool, like companion to the chicken. And then you also definitely have to get the garlic dipping spread from Trader Joe's as well. So you have to get those three things to put them all together. Then you have to make delicious basmati rice. Oh, the basmati rice was so good. Like Mom made that. She made the basmati rice herself, and then she also made the garlic naan herself from scratch as well. Yeah, it's actually really nice. Like normally, like if Mom was gonna make that whole meal from scratch, it would take like all day, and she literally like whipped that up like so quickly. She didn't have to like make the dough ahead of time and wait for it to rise and like you always do, but it actually wasn't too bad. And yeah, it was amazing. So I highly recommend getting those things from Trader Joe's. They are so super good. We're having like a lot of fun trying all the stuff at Trader Joe's. We've never really tried that many foods there before. Normally we just get the orange chicken and the Kung Pao chicken. I'm still like sad that when I went there with Mom, they didn't have any more Kung Pao chicken, and we ran out of all the Kung Pao chicken that I've bought already in the past. So I'm missing you, Kung Pao Chicken. Hopefully they restock you soon. But, yeah, it was delicious. I put away all the stuff from Butcher Box in the freezer. We got like different beef cuts. We got chicken breast. Mom got a whole chicken. We got I think we got shrimp, and then we got what are those round things? Whatever those are called. I told you guys what they were when we were looking at them. Now I can't remember what they're called anymore, but I love them. They're delicious. Yeah, so if you guys haven't like tried Butcher Box and are thinking about it, I highly recommend. Mom has been loving it since she signed up for the service, and yeah, it's great. Just have like the meat delivered every month, even though Mom does like buy like other stuff as well. It's like a good, I don't know, thing to get, and she always like makes it, and it's delicious. So it's awesome. And what else did I do today? I watered the plants intensely. It was so warm again. It was another super warm day. I don't know when the heat wave is supposed to end, but I think my printer's out of paper. I think Friday might be like the last day that it's gonna be in the, well, I don't know, because it's still gonna be in the high 90s, which means it can still easily jump to the hundreds. But according to the weather app on my phone, Friday is the last day it's gonna be 100 or in the hundreds. After that, it's gonna be like 96, 98. So, by mean, anything is possible with this crazy temperature. But it's feeling like a little bit like Arizona. My sister used to live in Arizona, and we would go visit, and it would be like in the summer, and it would still be a gazillion degrees at nighttime. Like if it was 105 during the day, it would be 105 at night, even if you went out. I'm like, so hot. And today, like recently, it's kind of been really warm still at night as well. Like not as hot as during the day, but it's still really hot. Like it would still be like in the 90s when I go walk the dogs or something, which is crazy. And yeah, so it's nuts. It's so hot. I'm like melting. And yeah, but hopefully you guys are all doing well. I know like there's lots of crazy things happening in the world right now, especially like with the weather. There's like crazy things, and then all the fires happening all around here in California are what's it called? Are the air is like really bad right now here because there's lots of fires going around near where we live. Like I showed you guys the other day, there was like a fire, like there's like 2 fires on either side of us that you could see, and it was just like crazy. And there's just been ash, and like I think the fires are put out already, but I know there's still a lot of fires, especially like up in Northern California. I don't know if all the LA ones are gone, but it's just been nuts. So let's send out some positive energy for everyone that's being affected by that stuff. Also, the rolling blackouts are a little intense as well. We are lucky that we haven't like that hasn't happened where I live yet, but yeah, I just feel for those people where it's like so super hot and like their power is turned off and they can't leave because of, yeah. So anyway, that's enough of that. We're gonna end this video on a positive note. Positive note. Ooh, the kids are finally getting their groove with school. Eliza was actually kind of liking it, whereas before he started school, he was just like so not into it, but he's just like super into it now. He's having the time of his life. Cade is liking it. Zach is doing a lot better. He's like, the only reason he's kind of mad right now is because Cade and Eliza finished their classes so much sooner than Zach does. I feel like just like his teacher's curriculum is a lot more intense and he has to do a lot more stuff. And like have a lot more computer time with the teacher in the class. So he's just like, because like Zach, because Eliza and Cade would be done and playing, and then he's like still like stuck in his class. So I think that's the only thing that he's bummed out about, but I think he's enjoying school and he's really enjoying being able to see his friends from school on the computer screen and all that stuff. So, but yeah, that's the update with the kids homeschooling. I think tomorrow too, or is it Friday? I don't know what day. But Eliza is gonna have a. It's not a placement test, but I think it's like some sort of. I don't know what it's called, but Eliza, my sister did such a good job with Eliza's schooling, like with his schooling and stuff, like over during the summer, like they're like in class, they're just learning kind of like their letters and their numbers and all that stuff, and Eliza can already like add, subtract, and read pretty much, and like he knows how to stand out words and all that. So I don't know. I don't know if he's just like liking class because it's so easy for him, but it's like it's so cute. He'll, like, after class, he'll tell me like what he did. He'll be like, "Today I read with the teacher, and da 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 da. Yeah, it's so fun. I read a book about a little boy with a green shirt, and he has a dog, and da 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 da." And then he'll be like, "I have a green shirt and a dog too," and then all this stuff, and it's just really cute. So, okay, Hadrian, stop talking. Anyway, I'm ending the video here. Tune in tomorrow to see if I ever finish that buffet cabinet thing. I'm pretty sure I will, and I'm just really excited to get the house like cleaned up. And I think tomorrow I might have enough time to do it, so we'll see. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all bright and early tomorrow for a new thrifting video at 7 a.m. and then a vlog up at 2. See you guys later. Bye!